Hi, my name is Deborah and I'm a recipe developer here at Thermomix head office. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the kitchen toolkit. It is a great partner to your Thermomix, and we find in the recipe development kitchen that it has all the items necessary for all our cooking. Great to take on picnics, camping with you, and is going to make an ideal gift. The Thermomix kitchen scissors are a wonderful addition to the kitchen toolkit. The German engineered stainless steel blades, they are really good quality. We can use them to carve our chicken and cut up our pizza. They have a nifty take-apart function which makes them easy to clean. The paring knives from the toolkit are manufactured in Soligen in Germany and are really good quality. They also stay really sharp for a long time, and especially when kept in your toolkit. They're just the smallest version of a chef's knife and are great for intricate jobs in the kitchen, like deveining prawns or removing the seeds from chilies. The spreader from the toolkit is perfect for soft cheeses and even hard butter. The serrated edge and rounded tip making it easy to spread butter even on soft breads. The peeler from the toolkit has a really good sturdy handle. It also has a serrated good quality blade, which makes it really easy to peel your fruit and vegetables, and the blade doesn't get clogged up with any peelings. The scoop is perfectly designed to remove seeds from things like melon, passion fruit, the flesh from avocado pear, and also the seeds from pumpkin. It's also great to accurately measure ingredients into your Thermomix bowl. So you can see how versatile the kitchen toolkit is. So if you don't have one, get one today.